All right, guys, so today I wanted to do a quick unboxing and full review and install of my dash cam. It's the GT801 4K dash cam. I've been super excited for this one. I'm gonna go ahead and do the unboxing just to show everything that comes on there, and then we'll go ahead and put it in the car, see how it all looks. Like your install for it. Then it's got the templates, depending on where you're gonna wanna install it. And then the actual camera, ooh, very nice itself. That really nice camera. Cool. And then you also get the backup camera. You can install the backup camera. Literally it'll power off of here, and then the power source, and then the instruction manual, which is right here, and the instruction manual right here. So everything that we need, we're ready to go. Let's go ahead and go out there and set this all up. All right, guys, and I went ahead and got the dash cam up. So you can see, you could actually see the display on there. The sun was making it a little difficult to see, but it's a really nice camera. The setup took only a couple minutes. This is what it looks like on the VeeCar app. Crystal clear picture. Like, I couldn't believe how well this 4K footage looks. Look at how it looks on full screen mode. You're able to download clips off of the application if you like to. It does have a 32 gigabyte storage on there, but as you can see, even with the sun, the picture is still really clean and really crisp. I'm about to show you the backup camera. If you're looking for an amazing dash camera, I highly recommend this one. 10 out of 10.